Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my husband Dwayne and we're gonna be doing just a hot ones challenge. It's one of our favorite shows. So we got the sauces and we are gonna be trying them. All right. I don't know if I can handle it, but we're gonna try. All right. So we're also gonna be doing some would you rather questions and some other stuff. So stick around if you want to see what's up. All right. So guys, the first one is
Classic hot sauce.
the classic hot sauce. All right, and the Scoville on that is 1700. So on the Scoville unit scale, it's 1700. All right, so guys, I'm nervous. All right, so it's from
left to right.
Oh, it's actually right to left. Wait,
No,
which one is it?
It's from left to right. Okay, 100%.
That's the classic hot sauce. We're gonna be starting from left to right. So just like the show, we're both gonna be eating the wings. And we just need to take a tiny piece. A tiny bite. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Cheers. Okay. It's not bad.
Hot sauce.
Yeah. It's not bad. It tastes nice. It's kind of tangy. All right, so your would you rather question. Would you rather drink 4 cups of Cersei tea without sugar or take 1 shot of Ray and Neville rum? So if you're not from Jamaica, Cersei tea is a bush tea and it's very bitter. Would you like to take a liter of that or just 1 shot of Ray and Neville rum?
Wait, what? Classic white rum, red Neville, simple.
The white one, sorry.
Alright. Me choose a red Neville, 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, final answer.
Alright, cool. Okay, cool.
Well, you know what?
I need a napkin.
You know what? Answer that question. What would you choose?
I'd do the Cersei.
Cersei tea.
Yeah.
No sugar.
Fee.
Yo, I don't want to be around the bathroom there.
All right. So, what's the next one?
Next one is the yellow bird sauce, bliss
All right,
and
let's see.
vinegar.
So this is it, guys. All right. And it has serrano peppers. It has strawberry, coconut cream, cinnamon, ginger. Okay. All right. So push that out of the way.
Okay.
And then, oh, you eat off the whole wing. Me only take a bite.
Okay, you ready for go?
Yes. Ready.
So. Definitely taste the vinegar for sure.
You didn't ask your would you rather question.
I'm supposed to? I thought I was supposed to ask you now. It's my turn. Remember?
Oh, I thought we were gonna do 2.
Mm-mm.
Oh, so I have too many questions.
It's fine. You can choose.
Okay, go ahead.
So my question: would you rather an all expense paid trip to a destination of your choice, or a gift certificate for your favorite sushi place worth $1,200?
Sorry, say that again.
Would you rather an all expense paid trip to a paid destination of your choice,
Yes.
or a gift certificate for your favorite sushi spot for $1,200?
The trip. I'll take the trip. I'll take the trip. It's okay. I'll take the trip. Why is my nose running?
I would choose the trip too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. All right. Push those over to the side.
Okay.
And what's next?
So next is Huff's hot sauce.
All right, Huffs. Let's go.
You ready again? Sure? Need a break?
No. No break. I got this.
Ready? one tastes better.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
I like this one.
All of these taste okay so far.
I like
All right.
Guess what?
It's my turn now for the would you rather. Would you rather be Toni Braxton's love interest in a music video
Sorry.
or Rihanna's love interest for a video?
Okay, wait. Yeah, any more context? What stage is Rihanna at now? Like early stage Rihanna? Or
No, big woman Rihanna.
Fenty Rihanna.
Fenty billionaire Rihanna.
Okay. And what we are talking about? Toni Braxton at the height of her success, or Toni Braxton?
Anyone you want. It's Toni Braxton or Rihanna.
That's a tough one.
Look here, remember what about me now? You need to
I would choose Fenty Rihanna. Yeah.
Because you want some of the money if you just drop off.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
and not Toni Braxton did to drop off.
More bucks are as if a $500,000 can drop off from a pack in a
Okay, alright. Cool. Alrighty. So the next one is. Oh, you need water? Okay.
That was actually tasty.
So the next one, number 4, right?
Los Calientes.
Los Calientes. Alright. Ready. Let me see what's on this. Apple cider. Agave. Serranos.
And what's the Scoville?
And the Scoville. Oh, I forgot. The Scoville for number 2 was 6,200. And this one, the last one was 14,500. And this one is 36,000. All right, so.
You need water? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. So let's do this.
Flats.
Cheers. I like it.
The sauce, your sauces are better.
Of course, my sauces are better. All right. My turn or yours?
Your turn. Oh no, my turn.
Your would you rather? Yeah.
My turn, yeah. All right.
People, you see me come with my paper.
I'm in 2022. Okay, so what?
Shade. All right. What?
Okay, so would you rather be able to freeze time or travel back in time?
Travel back in time.
Why?
Because there are some things I want to change and people I'd like to see.
I get it.
Yes.
I understand.
All right.
No shit.
Definitely. Definitely. All right.
Would I choose? Yeah, I choose go back in time too. If I go back time, I would change things.
Yeah.
But I'd be scared of the implications of changing.
Oh yes.
Like butterfly effect type.
Oh dear. All right. Let's move on.
Okay.
This is number what? 5.
Number 5.
This is called
Hot heads.
Atted. Let me see. Is that a volcano?
Yes, it is.
So these have roasted bell peppers and a scorpion. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Trinidad scorpion pepper.
Excellent.
And this is what, number 5. So 57,000. Right?
This is where we're at. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Be ready. Why are you reacting?
Why me bite such a big piece? You know, see how hungry me hungry?
Are you okay? You want some water?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Then this whole time me think say me I gonna mash this up.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I like to mash me up. Alright.
Okay, that one have a
Oh my
aftertaste. Yeah.
That is the Trinidad.
Yeah. It not hit you right away, but it hit you. And when it hit you, it hit you.
I should have done some popcorn chicken and not these big wings. Okay. Hey, you gotta drink too much water, you know. Is that cheating? Can we just drink water? Can I have some ice cream?
People, this helps.
Okay, I'm gonna drink some more. Okay, moving on. Next one. This is number 6.
Number 6. Oh. Senor Lechuca? Lechuca?
You know what? Just hold up the buckle to them because me no want mispronounce it.
Sorry, Miss Wisdom.
So, Senor Lechuca or Lechuca hot sauce. It has adobo, black lime, and ghost peppers. And this is number 6. 67,000. Okay.
Number.
No, don't bother bells make the people in here. Alright. Me just want to race through this.
Why you race?
Because me no want my brain to realize say my mouth a burn up. Alright?
Okay.
For my people who don't speak patois, I want to do this faster because I don't want my brain to realize that my mouth is on fire. Okay. Fire. Like,
Fire. Fire.
Okay, so now so
Yeah, ready?
okay. The arms of that tastes like pepper shrimp.
This one doesn't the hothead one
Was worse.
Yeah, one worse.
Yeah, the hothead was definitely more painful.
And that one that hit you
Yeah.
like a lasting after effect.
So
But
what
this
did
one
we?
here,
What did we just have? The Senor.
Yeah, Senor one.
Okay. So I see you showing off eating the whole wing. I'm doing one bite because, you know, I'm not the greedy one. So yeah, all right. Number, what is 7?
Number 7.
118,000.
But I didn't ask you a question.
Oh, sorry. Wasn't it my turn?
No, sweetie.
You said the sushi thing.
And then afterwards, I had asked another question, freeze time. And then, so is it your turn now?
I think so.
Okay.
Would you rather listen to only 90s music for a whole year or listen to only new music for a whole year? So you can't listen to anything else but 90s music for a whole year or only new music for a whole year.
And what genre we are talking about? We are talking about across
Any
all
genre. Any genre.
I would choose 90s. Yeah. Would I choose 90s? Although I would get tired of hearing certain like specific genres after a while. But the 90s, especially dancehall, hip hop, R&B,
Yep.
even soca, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
That is definitely a vibe.
Definitely.
We can listen to for a whole year.
Me too. Me too.
Yeah, the stuff for this year is definitely trash.
Oh my gosh. That's harsh.
So, the next one is
Butila Fire? Is that it? I think that's it.
Yeah,
Butila Fire.
Yeah,
Oh.
Chile long
Hey!
de Fuego.
Just turn the bottle, sir. That's the one, and it says Chile. Turn around, let me see. Chile Lengua de Fuego. So I hear fuego, so there's some hot in there, right? Okay, let's do this.
Okay, so ready for you.
Cheers. Why am I writing a big fish?
I like the smell. The smell has like a smoky.
Oh yeah, it does.
Smoky kind
Like a fire, like a
Yeah.
You're by the fire and
Definitely fireside smell.
You're right. Let me see.
Um,
Scotch bonnet is in this.
mm-hmm.
Jalapeno,
Mm-hmm.
chocolate ghost pepper, Trinidad scorpion.
You feel it?
Just as me say scorpion, me feel it. It sting me.
Not bad.
You know you're showing off the people. He's eating off everything. I'm just taking bites. And then if I can manage, I'll go back after.
Mhm.
Okay,
This one here is not too bad.
Yeah. The hotheads was worse, man.
Hothead? Yeah, I agree.
All right, what's next? Oh,
I'm supposed to ask
you're a
you.
would you rather.
Okay. So, I think you might like this one. Get ready.
You know, say me throat about me.
Okay, get ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Would you rather take a tequila shot? Take tequila shots with Dwayne The Rock Johnson? Or sip pina colada with Morris Chestnut?
Oh gosh! Why you say Mars chestnut?
Yeah.
No, all of the pepper gone. No, jeez. All right.
No judgment.
If you like pina colada, hey. Oh, but
We had talked about like the prime of the Rock, Morris Chestnut at his prime.
this is not fair, you know.
Remember the key the active part, taking tequila shots with the Rock, and then the second one is Morris Chestnut sipping pina colada.
But like, Mars married or me married, so. Are we married or is Morris married? Am I married?
You're married. No.
Okay, you know what? I love me some Morris, but I think it would be like super memorable if I'm taking shots with The Rock.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go with The Rock just because of that. But I still love you, Morris.
Okay.
All right. Next one.
Yeah. So next one. So now, this is the one. The Bomb Evolution. The Bomb.
Okay.
Okay.
This isn't the one where we drop some on the wing, right?
No, that's the last one.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh.
No.
Water.
It's beside you.
No, you're what? You drink
me?
water.
No.
Ooh.
No. No, sir. No.
Fire.
My tongue.
When you breathe in, you blow.
People. Oh my.
That's the instantaneous hot fire right away. The other one them have a lingering, but that one immediately.
Okay. All right. We need to do this quickly so me can wait. All right.
Good question.
Okay. Would you rather be